Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can create a flash screen for your application in Android. So I have this application in which I am displaying some images and text for that image. So if I want to add the flash screen for this particular app, so how we can create a flash screen, that we will learn in this video. So first of all we have to create a new activity to make a flash screen. So go to the activity and create a new empty activity, and name of the activity is flash screen, like this, and make it launcher. Click on this should be the launcher, and finish. Now you see, go to the manifesto file and we see this is the launcher, and remove the intent filter from this, because I don't want to make main activity as a launcher. I want to make this activity as a my main activity, the launcher activity. So flash screen is my first activity, then this activity will open from the flash activity. So go to the flash screen. Now here I just design, I put here one image like this. I can put any image here on this, like that. Whatever image you want you can add, just like your app logo or your company name, whatever you want you can add. Just give the size to this image and put the text also here, and give the position like this, because it's a constant layout, and fix it also. So we can design it like this, and now we can go to the code window, and here XML layout we can give the text to it, welcome to my app, like this, and text size, text color maybe red, and text size maybe 30 dp, gravity center, like this. We can make it bold also, style bold and italic, like this. So welcome to my app, like this. This is my flash screen. You can design as per you want, but I am designing just for example here. Then we can add image also. If we have any image we can add image also here. So like I have image also, just like bulb and bookmark, so I can add here this image. Map and bulb, like this. I can add the image also like this. So this is my flash screen. Now I go to the Java for coding here, and here I have to create a thread by handler class, and this class I will create a post delay method, and here I will create my thread. In this thread I am going to pass the time of 1 second. After 1 second this application, this activity will closed, so I have to open another activity by using intent. So get application context, and what I want main activity should be open. So main activity class we are calling from the intent, then start activity we are passing here, and after that we have to close this running activity. So this handler is creating a thread by using a post delay method. This thread will execute after 1 second. So when this thread will execute, it will open the second activity, the main activity, and it will finish the current running flash screen. So by this way my activity will open automatically, the second activity, and this flash screen will close automatically. So this way we can make flash activity. So you see the output here. Now flash activity will open automatically, then this activity will open. So like this way we can create the flash activity in Android application. You see it take little bit of time for execution. You see output is coming, stalling, and we have the flash screen, welcome to my app, and then I have the my this way. If I want to increase the size, so I can increase just 2 seconds, and then again I try to run again. So it will run again and it will show the 2 seconds. It will be hold for 2 seconds. So it will stop for 2 seconds like this. After 2 seconds I will have my main activity. So this is the way to create the flash screen in Android. That's all in this videos.